Dear audience, this is Sher Afzal, the founder, the chairman of Global CEO Club, a private limited company registered in Pakistan. The club is based in Pakistan and headquarters is based in USA. I started this journey around 8 years ago. Now club is present in every country of the world. Club is uniting the whole business community at one forum, at one place, that is Global CEO Club. A big bridge for the business community, for the growth, for the flourishment of businesses across the globe. Today we are here at Lahore Expo Center. Mera Brand Pakistan is the organizer of this expo. Ms. Faryal from Impala 21 is with us. I request her, please share about your brand, about your company, please.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Faryal from Thalasso and Impala 21. This company is based on marine and algae nutrients. This product is based on marine nutrients such as algae and green marine caviar. These are very effective for the skin and especially for the hydrated skin. This helps us to hydrate our skin and lift our skin. It completely secures our skin barrier and helps us to minimize the pores. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Faryal.
You're welcome.
As I mentioned, Global CEO Club is present in every country of the world. If you people are seeking international business growth, international penetration, to expand, to extend your businesses all over the world, Global CEO Club would invite and welcome you to be part of Global CEO Club, so that international growth can be sought, can be attained all over the world.
Thank you.
I invite you people, be part of Global CEO Club, join hands with Global CEO Club, so that international growth can be available easily to you people. From time to time, Global CEO Club itself is organizing different types of expos, different types of business events all over the world. My next expo is going to be organized in France, then Poland. Then we are going to organize a big business summit in Bulgaria, Global Business Summit, just like World Economic Forum is organizing. Similarly, Global CEO Club, as I mentioned, everywhere in the world. Be part of Global CEO Club so that the growth of businesses can be done easily. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful time. Thank you, sir. Thank you.